Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and unboxing and show you how to set up this Blink Outdoor 4 camera. So this does come with a sync module too, and that's what this cable's for. This is how you're going to power it, and it does come with the power supply. So you're going to plug this in to here, and then this is micro USB. You're going to plug that in right here. It only goes one way. You're going to plug it in right there. Now here's the Blink 4 Outdoor. This is an outdoor camera that you can get wet. We're going to open it up. Now I like that this is a little tool, and it also snaps in here if you want to do different angles, which I'll show you, but it's got like a little screwdriver. You're going to unscrew this because we do have to put the batteries in and scan a little code here on the back to connect to our app. Now it does come with these Energizer Ultimate Lithium. Now these really do hold up outside to the temperature swings. If it gets really cold, really hot, these are almost a must. We're going to put them in like this, negative to positive. The positive goes there. And then same with here. Now there's a little code here. You're going to scan this little code with your camera on your phone after you open up the app. Okay, so we're going to click on the Blink app. You got to download the Blink app and log in with your username and password. Now you may have more than one sync module. So sync modules can only hold so many cameras. I have 2 sync modules. So pick whichever sync module, or if you need to add this sync module, you can add it. But first, I have it. I'm going to add this to the outside camera sync module. Hit the little plus button. I'm going to add a wireless camera. This is where it turns your camera on. See, that's my camera on my phone or my tablet. And I'm going to scan this little QR code right here. I'm going to put it in the camera so that it picks it up. Now this is where I can pick which sync module. I'm going to put it under my outside cameras. So the first thing it's going to do, it's going to update the firmware. So it found this. Now I'm going to go ahead and start putting the cap back on. So there's this little opening here. Make sure that lines up with that USB-C port. You're going to put it on there. And again, use this screwdriver to get this tight because you want this waterproof. Now you do have to kind of push this down and turn it at the same time. Otherwise it just won't start. Okay, it's going to stop. It's going to come to a stop, and now it's all the way tight around there. Now we can hook this straight up to it. It just snaps on the back. That gives us kind of, if we want to mount it to a wall like this, but you can undo that. That's what this is for. So say you want it at a different angle, snap this on, and these can be kind of hard to snap on. Kind of turn it. Now I can snap this onto this. And that gives me kind of a 90-degree angle with it. So if I need to point it straight down at something, I can do that. Okay, so it found it, updated it, click done. Okay, so the first thing, it's going to come up with this generic name, and then there's really no screen. So just click here, you'll turn the camera on, and you can start looking at it. And there's the camera. So now the first thing I'm going to do is go in and change the name of it. Click this little button here, general settings. And I'm going to give it the name of where I'm going to put it. Okay, my camera's all set up. If I want to take a picture, I just hit that button. It takes a picture. If I want to turn the camera on, I hit that, and I can see the live view of it. So it seems like it's really clear. And again, here's the sync module. If I want to plug it in, I already have a sync module, so I'm not going to be using mine. But you're going to need to add storage device. So you got to plug a thumb drive in there to add storage so that it can save the footage to your sync module. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.